Hello, joint PDF of two random variables x and y correlation coefficient equal to rho is given by fx comma y of x comma y is equal to 1 by 2 pi sigma 1 sigma 2 into 1 minus rho square exponential of minus x minus mu 1 by sigma 1 whole square minus 2 rho x minus mu 1 y minus mu 2 divided by sigma 1 sigma 2 plus y minus mu 2 by sigma 2 whole square divided by 2 times 1 minus rho square. So we know that this is the joint PDF of two random variables x and y, where x and y are correlated. In other words, this is the bivariate Gaussian PDF. And in this short video, our goal is to verify that rho is indeed the correlation coefficient between the two variables x and y. In a previous video, we already established that the joint PDF can be rewritten as the product of marginal PDF and also the conditional PDF of y given x of y given x, where fx of x, the marginal PDF of x, is given by 1 by square root of 2 pi sigma 1 square exponential of minus x minus mu 1 whole square divided by 2 sigma 1 square. And the conditional PDF y given x of y given small x is equal to 1 by square root of 2 pi sigma 2 tilde square exponential of minus of y minus mu 2 tilde of x divided by sigma 2 tilde square. Sigma 2 tilde square. So this is the this is the conditional PDF of y given x, where mu 2 tilde of x is equal to mu 2 plus rho into sigma 2 by sigma 1 into x minus mu 1. And sigma 2 tilde square is equal to sigma 2 square into 1 minus rho square. So, given this information, now we can actually derive the expression for correlation coefficient, that is rho x comma y is equal to, by definition, expectation of x minus mu 1 by sigma 1 into y minus mu 2 by sigma 2. So this is the definition of correlation coefficient. Now the next term is 1 by sigma 1 sigma 2, that is by taking the constants outside, double integral of x minus mu 1 into y minus mu 2 into fx comma y of x comma y dx dy. So this is the definition of correlation coefficient. Now we have 1 by sigma 1 into sigma 2. Rewriting the integrals, basically rearranging the integrals into x minus mu 1 into fx comma x integral y minus mu 2 into fy given x of y given x dy dx. Now by using the expressions given here, that is from the results from a previous video, now we can rewrite this integral as 1 by sigma 1 sigma 2 integral x minus mu 1 into fx of x, and this integral is basically integral y into the conditional PDF dy, which is basically the mean of the conditional PDF, which is given by mu 2 tilde of x. And next one is minus integral of mu 2 into the PDF, the conditional PDF, which is basically the area under the conditional PDF multiplied by mu 2. So this is given by minus mu 2. So we have this integral. In other words, this integral basically becomes this difference, that is difference between mu 2 tilde of x minus mu 2. But from the definition of mu 2 tilde of x, mu 2 tilde of x is equal to mu 2 plus this function, that is rho times sigma 2 by sigma 1 into x minus mu 1. So this difference becomes the term. So this is equal to 1 by sigma 1 sigma 2 integral x minus mu 1 into rho into sigma 2 by sigma 1 into x minus mu 1 fx of x dx. Now by cancelling sigma 2's and gathering the constants, we have 1 by sigma 1 square into rho into integral x minus mu1 whole square into fx dx. And this is by definition equal to the variance of the marginal PD of fx of x, which is basically equal to sigma 1 square. So we have rho into sigma 1 square by sigma 1 square, which is equal to rho. Therefore, the correlation coefficient of the random variables x and y is equal to the rho. That is the term in the bivariate Gaussian PDF. Note that when this correlation coefficient is 0, then this is basically product of the two marginal PDFs, and basically x and y are independent in that case. Thanks for watching.